What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can add a new primary wallet to your BullX Neo account. Also, if you're actively trading on BullX Neo, you can use my partner link from the description below to create a new account and that way get 10% lifetime trading fee discounts. And now let's get started. So first off, once you open your account, you will be on this default homepage right here. Now from your homepage you will need to go to this left hand side menu right here and select the wallet manager option. On the wallet manager, here you would be able to see your wallets. So in this case I have two, but if you didn't add any new wallets, you will have only your primary wallet right here. Now keep in mind that you're on the correct network to which you want to add a new primary wallet. So I will just stay on Solana right here. And from there, to add a new primary wallet, I would click on New right here and select the first wallet option right here. Now from there a new wallet will be added, which we can actually make primary. Now once this new wallet is added, you can actually export the private keys from that wallet and you can export it to Phantom if you like. But if you would like to know how to do that, you can watch this video right here in the upper right corner. I will also link it at the end of this video. So once you have your new wallet, you can just click on these three little dots right here and select Make Primary right here. And from there, this will be your new primary wallet, as you can see by this icon right here. From there, if you don't want any extra wallets, you can just click right here again and click Archive right here. Once you click Archive, all of those wallets will be archived and you will only have your primary wallet available right here. So that's guys how you can set a new primary wallet on BullX Neo platform. Again, if you would like to save up on trading fees, you can create a new account using my partner link from the description below. So that's about it. Thank you for watching.